Hi, I'm Lim Jesson and I'm talking about ecological interaction. So, what is ecological interactions? I believe you guys heard before the word no man is an island, and I believe that applies to organisms too. Ecological interaction is the relationship between species that live together in a community. And then there is basically two categories for ecological interaction. The first one is related to how different organisms get their sources of food and energy. There's those who produce their own food from sunlight and chemicals, which is called the producer, like all green plants. Then there's those who feed on other organisms to get food and energy, which is called the consumers, like us, humans. And then there's the composer, who break down carcasses, body parts and waste product back into nutrients and animals. For an example, insects and fungi. The next category is the interactions between the same or different kind of species, which is called symbiosis. The impacts of symbiosis can be positive, negative, or neutral for the individuals involved. Mutualism is an interaction between two organisms in which both benefit from one another. For an example, flowers and bees. Bees get the nectar they need to make honey by traveling between flowers. The bee brings pollen from one plant to another, resulting in pollination. The bee is benefiting by getting food while the plants benefit from being pollinated. Next, commensalism is where one organism benefits from the other while another is not affected by it. For example, remora fish and sharks. The remora fish attaches itself onto sharks for protection and also transportation. Then, there is parasitism, where the parasite benefits and the host is harmed. For an example, ticks suck blood out of the dog. This is the picture of a tick on the dog. And then, there is also predation, which the predator benefits and the prey is harmed lethally. For an example, we human killing animals for their meat. Delicious. Last but not least, there is competition where it normally ends up with a winner or a loser. This occurs when species or organisms compete for limited supply such as food, water, and territory. For an example, two male lions fighting for territory and leadership. That's the general information on illogical interactions. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.